Hello, back with some more Feed the Beast, Resurrection, and we're going to be doing a little bit more gregtech. First thing I want to do is, in my last episode that I made the high pressure lava boiler and run these steam engines. Well, since then I made a few other machines: a basic fluid extractor, a basic fluid canner, electric furnace, and a steam turbine. Now, this is basic, so we're just going to get started with a little bit of electricity. First thing I need to do is get a reliable lava source, and everybody knows the nether is the best place to be to get that. So let's get in there. Hopefully gas won't crack. Alright, let's see which way. A little bit laggy down there. I got 3 chunk loaders going. One at my house. Well, actually 2. I'm going to have 3, so it's going to get a little bit more laggier. And one is not a quarry. I have a mining turtle going. As good as it gets to, because gregtech has a lot of. You will get out of the way. Put my pump down. Try not to hit him out. I'm not trying to start a war down here. Chunk loader. I'm gonna put it on 10 chunks. That's probably gonna lag me up a little bit, but. And we need this and a lever. One redstone engine. This guy, man, he's all over the place. And then we're going to need a lever. Start this thing up. Yeah, I was down there earlier and I put this platform. Excuse me. And a flare bat got me. Fire bat. And he killed me. He just knocked me off. I didn't even see him coming. Try to stay away from the edge there. If you're going to make the ender tank, you're going to need 4 blaze rods. And if you don't find a castle, which I've been around here and I haven't found no castle. As far as I've been, it was over there. And I'm not sure how far I went back in here a little bit, back where I spawned at. But as far as finding the castle is, I haven't found one. So if you need blaze rods, if you can find a desert, there's little flyers in there. I'll show you the flyer. I can't remember the name of them, but you can take them and put them in your compressor, because you really don't need no blaze rods for the beginning of your steam engines or anything. See if the thing's pumping without dying. The pipe's going down. And I heard a gas. Oh, shit. I don't feel like getting popped off of here right now. I got a whole bag full of stuff. I don't feel like losing everything. There we go. I just need to hit that. See if this one here starts filling up. Alright, we're good. Let's get out of here. I don't mind being in the nether, but if I'm carrying stuff, I like to come down here with just a pickaxe. And just items I need for. Here that is. All my stuff. I don't know if it's the mod pack or what. Let me go to one of these areas. There we go. I wanted to show you something with this. Let it catch up. When I made this bronze furnace, or the blast furnace, what I did was I've been messing with a little bit of interactive, and I made a conduit. There's another thing. I found that if you're looking for Enderman, the desert's the best place to get. As you can see, I got a lot of desert. I just set this up where it's in and out, and it automatically put your charcoal in or whatever you're using with your ingots, and then brings it out to steel. And I'm not sure what you do with these yet, but I've gotten quite a bit of them off of it. It takes a little while to get them there. About like 5 minutes or so per drop. Not sure. Let's see, where do I want to put this at? Let's see right there. Alright, first thing I'm going to need is I've kind of laid the pipes down there a little bit. What else? Won't need that. Oh, we could get to have what I used, you can either use if you're in you can use one of these reservoirs out of inner, or I wouldn't suggest dumping buckets in it like I've done. That's what I did for quite some while. And back there I have a aqueous accumulator. I don't know if it's won't let me. Let me see if I can get in there. Yep. Then I have it just setting in. Let me get back up there. There's a couple chickens down here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do in this room yet. This took a while to make. I'm probably going to put some gardens down there. I got a couple of them I started outside, but they ain't real good. I want to make everything automated. And I used a copper fluid pipe. You could use the ender pipe, but I just put that in there. I like the ender pipe better, but put my furnace on top of it. Fill it up with water. Bring it on to the side. Let's see. Let's see if I got my wrench. My mouse is real. The button's kind of real. And it's turned out on, and she should start building up some steam. No chicken. Saw him over there. Oop, this might work. There we go. I wrenched it the wrong way. Okay, as that starts picking up a little bit of steam, let's see if I made these tanks from open blocks. They work pretty good. Not sure if they have a tank in this. I didn't really check. So double tap on me. And I'm not sure. I think that should pump steam right into it. Just gonna find out here in a couple moments. I pulled all my machines out up there. Try to make the video. Excuse me. Make the video a little bit. There we go. Make the video a little bit shorter. Alright. Seems to be working pretty good. Let's put some of this floor back down. Well, we got the wrong floor, but alright, the next thing we need to do is, let's see what happened. There's this steam turbine. I'm going to probably set my machines up. That's where I had them before. So I'm just going to put her down maybe right there. And make sure you use a wrench on it. That's the only way you can actually get it up if you never mess with it. You just tap it and you can bring it around. It looks like you got two fans, one on each end. And now we're going to pipe it up. Let's see. I'm not sure which side I think that's the electrical side. So we'll want to come in right here. Yeah, this ender, this fluid conduit, man, this is nice. Let's see, you got the wrong wrench. Oops. Just put the arrow in. There we go. Then we're gonna need to just hit activate without a signal. And see if it starts picking up. There we go. We have power. Okay. Elevator's nice. It takes 8 wool and an ender eye. I'll make it kind of like a little Allen. You can make it any way you want to make it, but sometimes you're not using your machines. It's nice to have a lot of steam. So I'm gonna cut my first machine in. See if we do the wire it in. And what I want to do is, because I don't have the right floor now, but let's see. Let me show you. Take that out. If you craft these conduit binders, if you've never done this before, you make the paint machine. You put it in, and if you want to look like the jungle wood planks, which I believe I have on the floor down there. This is one thing that's really nice about this. You can hide all the pipes. As you can see, it won't work on this. But it works real nice on this. And you can hide, if you want to hide it all or whatever you want to hide. When it goes to ender, it'll hide all the pipes. That just don't look great. I gotta take it out. There we go. That looks a lot better. Alright. We need to splatter. That's the 1x10 cable. A little bit of rubber, and you know what? I still did the wrong color. Jungle wood. I thought it was jungle wood that I did. Oh, that's the wood we'll get to that after. Oops. First one I'm gonna do today is the electric furnace. Let me get something off there. And that right there, that's a pain in the ass. Now, You got two different kinds of cutters. What I did was I made a table and I made all my tools on it. These tables, these work tables, are real easy to make. It's one book, a chest, and a crafting table. You can just put your supplies down here. But there's cutters, and it's different. You want the wire cutters. And that's what I did with a lot, like making some of the pipes, making parts for the machines. Just the gregtech, it's pain in the butt, but I'm having fun with it. So, and that's the only way you can cut them wires. If you try to hit them with your pickaxe, you're just going to break them. All right, let's see. There we have it. Converted electric. And the reason why I put that there was I still got some of these machines. It will be a while before I could take the compressor, the alloy smelter, steam extractor, the macerator, and the hammer. We don't need the furnace. We got the electric furnace. Once I get all these set up to this, to electric, I'll do away with this. But for now, I'm just going to put her here. Put the compressor there. Extractor beside it. You can probably put them in whatever order you want to put them in. The alloy smelter, put it there. And they're not going to pick right up off the back. Oh yeah, and to make sure you have the little square blocks up top where they won't steam won't come out and they'll run out of steam quick. Compressor, extractor. Hammer, master. What we're going to do is put these on extract, activate without signal. Extract, activate without signal. As put these on insert. Let's see what's going to work. Let's get on a high note, if you don't want to macerate it takes forever for it to be done. You get the forge hammer. And literally, you put it back in one more time, and then you just make your pile of dust. And it works a lot faster than macerated. Pretty sure the electric one or upgrade one is going to be a lot better. Or even a high pressure if you want to go that, if they have them in there. What happened is it has a full steam. So wherever you hook your pipe up at, you have to have steam. So it was just coming up to the line. What I would suggest if you're going to use it a lot, you probably put two of these down. Put one here, one on the other side of it. And you'll have two of these running at the same time and keep it full. Oop, and there's loose heat out top. And as you know, I can make the hole. There's a ridge stain. So this is the electric furnace and the boiler down there. And the next video I'll be making, I'll try to automate some of this or make some better machines, more electric machines. I got a couple over in there, but they're just, I wanted to make some electrical tools and industrial craft. All its materials are made the same way that gregtech is. It's not allowing me to make the machines without certain things you have to make on these machines, like cannon machines, stuff like that. You need a battery, alloy battery, you need a cannon machine for it to make the cell. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching.